Hi, I'm Jim Devaprasad. I'm a professor here at Lake Superior State University and specifically teach in the robotics area. I'm really glad you were able to have time to stop by and visit the Robotics Lab. And I thought I'll just kind of share a few words before you kind of walk around. I hope you'll feel free to walk around and take a look at the equipment, the robots, the sensors, the conveyors, just different systems that's out here. What you're seeing in front of you in this lab is about definitely well over $1 million worth of automation equipment that we have in the lab, and our students who come to Lake State who are majoring in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer engineering, or manufacturing engineering technology can specialize in robotics. So what that means is they basically can take a course, a set of courses, and get a specialization in robotics. So in the lab, I mean, obviously the robotics courses has the theoretical aspects to it, and then in the lab they learn hands-on about how robotics applications happen in the real world. These are real-world robotic systems. On the right here are FANUC robots. FANUC is the world's largest manufacturer of robots, and we use this line to show the students how FANUC robots can be integrated and used for assembly type tasks. It's integrated with a programmable logic controller, and it has a conveyor system and things like that. So the students program these robots and learn about how robots can be used for various tasks in the manufacturing setting. Also in our lab, we have another line over here on this side, which is the Stobly robot line. Stobly is a popular robot manufacturer. It's more popular perhaps in Europe than in North America, but they have quite a strong presence in North America. This line is also set up for the students to learn a different kind of robot system and how to program it and to do various tasks. If time permits, later in this presentation you will get to see how the Stobly line is set up to assemble model Zambonis. And when our students come to Lake State, they get one of the things that our employers of our graduates really like is the fact that they work with these real industrial-based systems and software that allows them to be very productive. In fact, they can hit the ground running as soon as they leave Lake State and work for these various companies. So this is just kind of a quick summary of different things that's going on in the lab here. You'll see other things as you walk around. You'll have small robot work cells which are used for other demonstration type situations and learning situations. And I hope you have a good chance to also ask questions to any of the students who may be around in the lab when you're visiting, and we're sure glad again that you came. What I'd like to do, if time permits also, is to go over a few slides on the status of the robotics industry and share with you some highlights about Lake State's graduates and where they work and things like that. Thank you.